Boys and their toys. The boy got a new parcel. It's QR automated. No plastic, just paper. There it is. Look at this. CNC, fancy schmancy. Standard Piaggio tap. Oh, come on. And some damaged BGM tap. So that's the fuel hose connector. It's plastic 3D printed. You can twist it around. I mean, it's on the wrong side. If you have the hose here, it buckles. Wait, let me get the hose. Get the hose. A few meters. Look. Nah, it buckles a little bit because you have to go this direction. It's fine. One screw and the other. Shall we mark the parts as they were assembled? And this one and this. What do we have here? That's a proper rotary disc. A wave washer. This. Some special grease. And we got here proper drills. And the center of the rubber. That does look good. There we go. I want to see how it looks on the inside. What you can see here is an even rubber. This area has all the same height. If you check out the rubbers of the SIP tab, for instance, it has areas that are a little bit lower. This means there is less friction, less resistance to turn. In these pockets, grease or mixture can stay and act as a lubrication. This is missing here. I'm gonna try adding this by hand. I used a small miller to imitate that these small pockets here. You see them? They won't do any harm, so let's put that stuff. So let's measure this bore. So one possibility is to just take some drills and put it in the hole. That's a 6. So this is at least a 7. Or just really measure it. This size, it's no problem. 6.5. What's the connector? The connector here is 6, 7, and this one here is close 6. It's a bit smaller. Okay, let's assemble it. The hose goes this direction, so a little bow would be nice. Same on this side. Let's measure the bores. This is 5.5. 5.5. Yep, a little bit under 6. We have the rotary. Rubber still in. A weight washer. This plate here. Now to test if you assembled it correctly, just give it a blow job. That's closed, so if you blow here, nothing is allowed to leave here. It does. Now turn it 90 degrees. Now this should open. This should open. This is normal. To go through here. Okay, that was Siri. This does not work. Fuck. Once again, that's reserve. Go back to normal, so this should go through. Let's give it a BG. If you close it, none of these drills should go through. That's reserved, that's normal. So I know it is closed. Let's try. It's assembled correctly. It does not close anymore. Let's see what's up. Holy crap. So the rubber, the sealing rubber is damaged. There are two possibilities if a fuel tap is not tight. There's some dirt in it, or exactly this rubber is damaged, and it is. Shit.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?
You see, Piaggio logo is very heavy. Piaggio logo has to go down. The heaviest point? No, it's not. Let's see how they are balanced or not. No, of course they're not balanced. That's interesting. This one wow.